the best application for solving maths problem and pretty much any more homework that you have. And I'll be showing you guys how to just do that with this application. Stay tuned. So here this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and all you gotta do once you have opened the application, you just take a clear image or a picture of your maths question or any homework that you have, and it will pretty much solve it for you step by step. It will give you everything that you need to know and how you come about that answer that they have given you. Also at the top here, if you tap on this icon here, it's pretty much a calculator icon. You can see here you can use a calculator within this application. You have tap on the function here as well. You can see other maths related things as well. So if you don't want to take a picture right away, you can always upload a picture that you have taken before. Upload by just tapping on the photos, go in your gallery and pretty much search for that picture that you have taken. You can also enable the flashlight mode. So in the history section here, this is pretty much all the questions where all the answers will be shown, and you can also go back and look on those answers. Here in the chat section, you can chat with their chat bot that they have on this application here and so forth. Nothing much for that. Me section can get that 3 days free trial for better answers and no ads, but I haven't encountered any ads with the application, however. But you can get a better answers with the subscription, with the plus feature that they have. You can always get the 3 days free trial as well. So that's pretty much for this application. Very straightforward. And if you ever need to find the subscription page, you can go tap on go ads free at the top there, and it will show the subscription page and so forth and what to get it. As you can see here, get that 3 days free trial as well. So that's pretty much it for that. You guys, if I missed anything in the tutorial, please comment below. God love to help you out. I'll see you guys in the next one.